Look at this pattern of matchsticks. To make one square, we need the blue match and 3 black matches. To make 2 squares, we need the blue match and 2 lots of 3 black matches. To make 3 squares, we need the blue match and 3 lots of black matches. Can you see the pattern? To make S squares, we need 1 blue and S lots of 3 black matches. S lots of 3 is written 3 times S using letters. Look at this second pattern. To make one triangle, we need the blue match and 2 black matches. To make 2 triangles, we need the blue match and 2 lots of black matches. To make 3 triangles, we need the blue match and 3 lots of 2 black matches. Can you see the pattern? To make T triangles, we need 1 blue and 3 lots of 2 black matches. In algebra, we don't use the multiplication sign, so the rule is m equals 1 plus 2t. In algebra, we don't need to write the multiplication sign in general, so 4 multiplied by a is written 4a. b multiplied by minus 10 is written minus 10b. We write division using the fraction line. A divided by 3 is written a over 3. b divided by 2, then minus 7, is written b over 2 minus 7. We use powers for repeated multiplication. For example, a times a is written a cubed. So keep this in mind. Do not write the multiplication sign. Write the division using the fraction line and use powers for repeated multiplication. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!